The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video, Commutative and Associative Properties of Inequality. First, let us define commutative property. Let us take a set A. Now, if it is added to B, if we get the value which is equal to B plus A. So, when A plus B becomes B plus A, then we say that the two sets satisfy commutative property. Now, how can you teach this to the child? Ask the child, to take three objects in set A. Three objects in set A. Now, take two objects in set B. So, now the order of adding these objects is A is added to B. Now, how much we get? That is, you put them together, ask the child to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. This is A plus B, that is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Now, we have to prove that, first take 2 and then take the number 3. Okay? First, we took the number 3, added it with the number 2, which is the set B, we got 5. Now, we take B first, that is 2 numbers, add it with A, that is 3 numbers, put them together, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 plus 3 equals 5. Right? So, this satisfies the equation that A plus B equals B plus A. So, whenever you have a property satisfied like this, we call that as commutative property. Commutative property. Then let us take another property which is called as associative property. Right? So, we have proved now commutative property. Then we have to prove associative property. Associative property. What is associative property? In associative property, we are taking 3 sets. We are taking 3 sets. Now, the 3 sets can be added to begin with. I add A and B first. Then I take the value of A and B and then add it with the C. Right. Now, the other way is I take A independently and then add it with the value of B plus C. Okay. So, there are 3 sets A, B, C. Now, in associative property, I add the number of objects in the set A and B first, then add it with the number of objects of set B as C, and we prove that that is equal to the number of objects of B and C added first, and then adding it with the A. If this property is satisfied, we call that as associative property. So, how this can be taught to the child? Let us take 3 objects in set A and 4 objects in set B, right? And 5 objects in set C, right? So what we have done, we have taken 3 blue color objects in set A, 4 yellow color objects in set B, and 5 red color objects in set C. Now what we have to do, first add A plus B together. So what is the number now? A plus B, we have added them together. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means the A plus B is 7. Now we have to add it with C. What we have done, C is 5. Now we have added that with the value of A plus B. That is, we have added 5 to the existing 7. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12. So that means A plus B added first, then adding that collective value with the C, we have a total value of 12. We have a total value of 12. Now we have to reorganize the whole thing. Now take them back to their positions. Now what we have to do, first we have to add B and C. So add the B with the C. Now count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this 9 should be added with the A. So what we have to do now, in the second instance, the 9 is added with the 3. A is 3, B plus C is 9. Now count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. So in the first case, A plus B put together and then C, the result is 12. In the second equation, B plus C added first and then it is added to the A, there also we get 12. That is, A plus B put together and then adding it to C is equal to A taken separately and then adding it with the sum of B and C. When this property is satisfied, we call that as associative property. So what we have done, we have proved the commutative property and associative property of the inequality. We have already proved the concept of additive property. So these properties are helpful for the child to understand other concepts of inequality.